In this video, you're going to learn about the different ad extensions you can use within Google AdWords to make your ads even more engaging. You'll learn how to use site links, structured snippets, and more. So what are ad extensions? Well, basically they complement our standard ad formats and they're designed to make our ads more relevant and engaging. Google actually says that ad extensions create more reasons for people to click through on our ads. And on top of this, ad extensions are actually a factor in calculating our ad rank. There's a range of different manual extensions that we can manage ourselves directly inside Google AdWords. These are also complemented with a handful of automated ad extensions. So let's head into our Google AdWords account to see where we can manage our ad extensions. Here I'm in a search campaign, and across the top we can see I've selected the Ad Extensions tab. This is where you'll find all of your existing ad extensions, as well as being able to configure new ones. On the drop-down, we can see I'm currently on site link extensions, but you can actually switch between all the different ad extension types right here inside the Google AdWords interface. So let's travel through the different types of extensions. Site links allow you to display additional links along with your ads. I like to think of these as secondary calls to action, and 2 to 6 site links can be displayed along with those ad formats as people are searching. So let's take a look. Here I've performed a flight-related search, and we can see we have some ads at the top, and these 2 top ads have some site links included with them. So these are the additional links included with our standard ad format. Next we have callout extensions. This basically allows you to include additional information. It's a little bit like the site link but without the link, so it's just providing this extra context. Google recommends keeping the text short, so 12 to 15 characters, using specific details and capitalizing words sparingly, so sentence case, starting with a capital and then going to lowercase. Here I can see I've performed a search, and these 2 advertisers have the callout extension included along with their ad format, providing additional context with their standard ad. Next we have structured snippets. These allow you to highlight specific aspects of products and services, and you basically select from a predefined header and then you enter in information against those headers, so it forms a bit of a list. Google recommends entering 4 snippets and adding all headers that are relevant to your particular business. Here I've performed my search and I can see these 2 advertisers have included structured snippets, and they have the courses header being used along with the snippets associated with those. They've created this list that goes along with that particular header. Next we have call extensions, and this is where you display your phone number along with your ad variation. You can actually choose from using your phone number in the ad format or using a Google forwarding number. The benefit of the Google forwarding number is that you'll have automated call reporting right within AdWords itself. You can also set preferences, so you can have a mobile preference if you want a particular number for people using a mobile device, and you can also schedule these as well. For example, if you had an emergency after hours number that you wanted displayed at particular times, you could do that as well with the call extension. Calls are charged as a regular click-through on your ad. Now with the call extension, they can appear slightly differently. So here on the left, we can see an example of what we might see if someone's searching on a desktop or a tablet device with the phone number right there in the ad variation. And for people on a mobile, it's a little bit different. We can actually have the call icon and people can click to actually call your number directly. On top of this, we have the special call-only ads, which is a special sub-campaign type available inside Google AdWords. And this is where the headline will actually direct people through to your phone number as well. So this is only available on mobile devices, and it means you're directing people straight through to your phone number. You're not actually sending people to your website or landing page. Then we have message extension. This allows people to contact you from your ad, and it's basically connecting that user directly with you via text message. So here we can see on this particular mobile search, we have this particular message extension. So people can click this and begin engaging with you via text message. Then we have location extensions. This shows address and phone number details along with your ads, and it's automatically going to be targeted based on the searcher's location and the keyword that they're using. You can link up to Google My Business to pull in address details automatically, and on top of this you can actually filter addresses. So if you are managing multiple locations for your organization, you can filter them at account, campaign and ad group level if you wanted particular addresses to show at those particular levels. Location extensions are eligible to show on Search and Display Network, although I've only actually ever seen them on Search Network. They can potentially appear on Display as well. So here I've performed a search, a car-related search in this instance, and we can see here we have a number of different advertisers using the location extension. There's also affiliate location extensions, so this is designed to help people find stores that sell your product. They're designed for manufacturers, and you can choose from a list of retail chains in the US. So here we can see we can select where our particular item is being sold, and this will add the extension to our ads. Next we have price extensions, which are eligible to display on both desktop and mobile devices, and they showcase your products and services, and they actually include pricing details and allow you to link through to the individual product pages on your website. Here we can see an example on mobile, and we can see we have these additional details about the products that are offered for this particular advertiser. Then we have app extensions. This adds a link to download your mobile app, and the headline will continue to link through to your website. So here I've performed a search for pizza delivery, and we can see that we have this option to either click through on the headline of the ad or download the advertiser's app to our mobile device. Finally, we have review extensions, which include third-party reviews along with your ads. They do include a link through to the review website, and there are some requirements. So they need to be from a reputable third-party source. They need to be recent, so published within the last year, and they need to be accurate. We can actually head in and we can either use the paraphrased or exact quote, enter in the details, and then add this extension inside Google AdWords. So that's how you can use ad extensions with your Google AdWords campaigns. Tell me how you're using ad extensions. Let me know and leave your tips in the comments below. If you thought this video was helpful, then please subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos like this.